Alright guys, so I just got home. I seen FedEx has been here. He actually texted me and said there's some weird stuff going on with these packages. Better be careful and open them. He translated some stuff. He said it doesn't look good. Let's go out there and see what he's talking about. The first thing I want to do is grab the camera so you guys could also see. So we got, it's an Amazon, post office. I guess that's what he's talking about. What in the hell? Is that Chinese? That is weird. Let's go in there and see what this is all about. I don't know what in the heck's going on here. There's always some weird stuff. If it's not the FDA, it's the Space Force, and now it's this nonsense. Let's just see what this even says. Where's the translator here? Let me grab it and get her fired up. Korean, maybe? We'll try it because it looks Korean. Oh, hell no. It's from Kim. Democratic People's Republic of Korea. Nathan, MRE, and Golden Eagle. Who the hell's Golden Eagle? Or what is Golden Eagle? I just looked all over. All I found was this picture. I guess that's who he's talking about. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go ahead and cut her open and see what the situation is here. I don't want to cut into anything. Paper's thick, man. Not a very big box. What the hell? There's some weird stuff in here. There's a letter. This is best wishes for you. Now, hold on. Gotta get this out. It says, Nathan, I enclose MRE so you can review it. I am big meat, big cough. Your coffin? What? Big fan of your channel. This includes food supplies and water throughout the day. Water all day. For a week, you can also use MRE. Some boom 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 was enclosed my private collection. For you, I enclosed Christmas gifts for Golden Eagle. Oh boy. I know this is friend. I reviewed your universe MRE. Tell Golden Eagle I promise his Christmas surprise. Oh boy. Fed's gonna be back over for this. Oh boy. Cannot wait. Chairman Kim. Here's this MRE. What in the hell? Well, first of all, it's in a Ziploc. Got some beef jerky. It is. Actually smells pretty good. We got some crackers, some biscuits. That's weird. Got some drinking water in a packet. A piece of the jerky there. Take a bite of that. Jerky's actually very nice. Piece of gum. One stick, of course. Lifesaver. And a piece of candy. It's not candy, it's a cough drop. What? Come on, man. Come on, man. The hell? Oh boy. Demonetized. There's the boom boom and some money. Is there more on the other side? I'm gonna rock those around too much. Definitely gonna have boom boom. Some North Korean money? Look at that. Get this camera even focus. I don't know. That's bizarre, but it feels like aluminum. Or tin or something weird. Little Kim's shooting here. He's shooting 30-30? That's the expensive ones too. What the hell is this? Is this the present for the Golden Eagle? I bet it is. So I guess this is my present. This is the Golden Eagle's present. Well, next time the FDA comes over, we'll have to send it back with them. That's it. What a freaking bizarro ration. I even dropped the cough drop on the floor. I'm not going to eat that now. It's nice enough to put some packing in there for whatever good that does. So that's going to be it, guys. I guess that's the North Korean MRE. Freaking super bizarre if you ask me. Well, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for 2020. You will not believe what's about to come. We'll see you guys very soon. Talk to you later.